Hello everyone, this is Ben from Lego Fan Cam. And today we are speed building a Lego set 6879, the Blizzard Baron. From the Ice Planet 2002 collection, it comes with 82 parts and one minifigure. Released in 1993, it's a spacecraft sled with a detachable antenna model, plus ski and chainsaw for the pilot. A mid-side set that really shows off the Ice Planet vibe with white, blue, and transparent orange pieces. Hope you enjoyed the build, and don't forget to subscribe for more LEGO adventures.